Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Today, we're highlighting a great tool for AI video production. This free tool lets you create characters that perform specific actions, which you can control through text or video inputs. Let's check out a complete AI-created video first. This video has been blowing up on social media. The bottom is the original, and the one on top has been modified by AI to change the face and clothes, and it looks really impressive. To get this kind of video effect, you need to use the Viggle AI platform. You'll find the link below in the video description area. We start by visiting the official Viggle website, where you can view examples of how to use them. If you're ready to use Viggle, just click the Discord link provided. Viggle's services are available on Discord, where you can access them for free once you join. Currently, there are over 70,000 users online and more than 500,000 members. To join, click Accept Invite to register. If you don't already have a Discord account, you can create one for free at the link provided. Simply enter your email address, choose a nickname, username, and password, and you're set. Since I'm already registered, I just click Accept Invite to proceed. It might ask a few questions, but I usually skip them and go straight to the Discord page. Currently, the Viggle channel offers two features for creating content. Mixed mode allows users to add images to videos. Users upload a video along with an image of a character. Viggle then automatically replicates the movements from the video onto the character, creating a new video. Animate mode allows users to mix a character image into a motion video. The prompt here can also use the built-in template. We can click on the prompt page in the upper right corner of the web page. Importantly, Viggle doesn't just mimic simple front-facing actions. It also captures the character in 3D. This means that even if the original video includes complex movements like body rotations or overlapping limbs, Viggle can accurately recreate these actions. After you enter the Viggle channel, you'll see many of the Create Video sections on the left side, labeled numbers 1, 2, 3, and adding up to a total of 15. You can choose to enter any of these sections. For example, if you enter the first section, you'll notice many users are active there. You can randomly select one to view the results of their work after they've combined elements. Next, I'll guide you through how to use it. Now, all we need to do is type a slash followed by mix in the input box below. Once you enter that, you'll see four options appear. The first option is image, the second is video, the third is background, and the fourth is fine-tune. Start by clicking on video. It will prompt you to upload an image of the character you want to replace in the video. Next, upload a video. Make sure the video is no larger than 25 megabytes and has a resolution of at least 720p for better quality. After uploading, set the background to white and turn on fine-tune. Once everything is set, click Enter to start the generation process. It might take a while since many people are using the service right now. After you upload your content, it might get pushed up due to the activity of many users. If you can't find your submission, just use the search bar at the top and type in your username. Once you find your message, open it to view. Let's check out the results by clicking on it. We can create new videos by adding images and text too. The platform provides official dynamic prompts that we can use as templates, which are accessible from the homepage. After opening the template section, you'll find over 100 dynamic prompts, including actions like dancing, walking, and running, among others. Once you open the desired prompt, simply click the Copy button below to use it. For instance, when you click on an action, its specific prompt will appear, and you can copy it from there. Let's head back to the Discord page. In the input box below, type a slash followed by animate and click on it. Now, you can directly upload an image. After the upload, paste the copied prompt word into the second option. Next, you can choose either a white or green background. Make sure to turn on Fine Tune and then press Enter. This will start the generation process. Takes a while. Type the username into the search bar at the top to find the video. Click on it to see the result. Viggle also allows you to create stylized characters. You can take real-life photos, stylize them, and then add motion effects for more varied video results. Simply type /stylize into the input box, followed by the style you want to apply, as described in the prompt words. After the new image is generated, pick your favorite one and then add motion to it. It supports creating dynamic characters by combining text and images. Simply type ideate into the input box. The prompt words are split into two parts. First, describe the character in the image prompt, and then describe the action in the motion prompt. After you choose the background color, it's all set to go. You can try it out and experiment yourself. It's completely free to use right now. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.